We're here in the Dáil today to discuss the emergency in the public interest COVID-19 Bill 2020. The challenges we're facing as a nation are truly extraordinary. We in Fianna Fáil will support the bill, but not without questioning or without seeking to amend. But we will do so in a constructive and positive way. How we respond to this crisis will determine the outcome. We need to act intelligently, systematically, and based on science and the advice of our public health experts. Only working together can we come through this threat. We must confront this threat with an unrelenting and unyielding effort. We will face significant and economic adversity. This in turn will have serious effects on our mental health. There will be a greater demand on our mental health services than ever during and after this crisis. Mental health funding is often the first to feel the cuts and one of the last to benefit from any recovery. This cannot happen in this case. Our nation's mental health is at risk. And whether it's through job losses, general anxiety, physical illness, isolation and loneliness that in particular a lot of our most vulnerable and older people are now facing, or those with psychiatric illnesses, mental health is having a massive impact in this country, and it is going to get worse. And I feel too, and my condolences to those who have passed in the last couple of weeks and who are going to pass into the future, for their families and for their friends who will not be able to attend their funerals and to say their goodbyes. I want to extend the thanks to the vast majority of people who are acting on the advice of their public health professionals by exercising precautions such as social distancing. They are saving lives, and we're now seeing the results of this in the extent of contact tracing having been reduced in terms of number of people who have COVID have interacted with. I want to thank our frontline staff, our healthcare workers. A special mention to our student nurses, and their pay now needs to be reviewed. The Gardaí, the Defence Forces, our council staff, retail, postal workers, our truck drivers and our port workers, all who are putting their own lives at risk to keep the country moving and reassuring the population. And I've seen these very real efforts in my own county of Wexford, but it's mimicked across the entire country. And I want to thank our local radio and local papers. They need more support. They are out there combating fake news and keeping our community informed, but they are under serious threat and serious risk. Thank you.